Well, good morning. Welcome back to the job site. Today's mission is to install that there sign at their wall. So we just got to remove that old sign, get it out of the way, which will make things nice and easy because I know where everything is. So let's get busy. All right, here we go. So first things first, let's get in there and make sure the power is disconnected. Ew. You never know what you're going to get with an old sign. It's just really gross in here. So that's really all the room we have to contend with. 3 inches of room there. Hopefully there's only just this one on that cover on. There's probably one more at the other end. We'll grab that real quick. Get that undone. For real? That cover was on there. Put this on the ground. I think I saw the power on the left side. Yes. So this has just tabs sticking off the bottom and the top. So this shouldn't be too bad. At least the removal. I'm guessing by extension, the install won't be bad either. We are dead. Actually, I will show this to you. Got another cheater on this one. So this whip MC cable coming through the wall right here, that should have a fitting on it. One more encounter with the illegal. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, it still works and it's just fine. It's lasted a long time. It's just not up to code. That makes it illegal. Undo some wire nuts. Probably just shove that whip wire back through the wall. Call it good. Okay. That's all sorted. Undo the bottom bolts first. And right there, looks like hangers. I do enjoy a good hanger. Alright, here's the bottom. I'll undo these top two if I can see them. Don't even know if I can get this picked. I can't imagine the sign's very heavy. Yeah, I may have to abandon my jib. I feel like it's just going to be in my way. Actually, you know what? I don't think I'm even going to use this at all. So I'm going to put it away. And I'll see you in a minute. Now that's out of the way. And I do like using that thing. It's a very nice, useful tool to have. But sometimes it just gets in the way. Alright, this thing is about ready to come off the wall. So I'm just going to get underneath it. Reach my bolts. I literally can't even see them. Alright, should be one more. Alright, here. Okay, this should be loose. Looks like a goose. Wow. This wall has seen a lot of signs. Now it's back. It's alright, now I gotta get out of here. Ugh. Whew. Yeah, maybe 60 pounds. It's just awkward and big, but yeah, not too bad. So I think I'm going to take those bolts out of the wall, just so they're not in the way. Actually, I might be able to use them. Maybe. I might measure it out, see if I can use them. If not, I'll take them out. Let's do some measuring. So I know where I can put my bolts in the sign. I really don't think I'm going to make any of these work. Exploratory drilling. Gotta love it. So here's my center. Actually, that's right above the door. This is gonna be easy. As easy as it gets. Okay, so that's 32. I like it when people leave the center on there. In previous installs, just makes it easy. So we are 5 1/4 up. Yeah, they're like an inch high. That's too bad. It's actually quite rare to be able to use the hardware from the last install on a new sign. Where's my... There you are. I'm just going to take these bolts out and then put basically the exact same ones back in, but only 3 of them. So these you just spin 2 nuts on, tighten them up against each other. And back. Like so. So I'll take the rest of those out and then put some new bolts in Drill some nice new holes in the new sign, and then put it on the wall. All right, now those are out. Those are 2-foot centers. One on this stud, and then another one 4 feet from there. 4 feet from there, should be down over here. Let's get those 3 in. So, that'll be like there. 5 1/4 up from that. So they were that close. That close. I mean, I might have been able to move everything up an inch, but I would have noticed it and I wouldn't have liked it. They go 4 feet from there. Let's make a scratch. One here, I'm gonna lay out my power. Foot away, right in the middle. All right, there's power. Drill that in a moment. Get this last mounting hole laid out. Get this sign up. 4 feet. That one. I already know where you are. That is what's nice about putting a sign up after you just took one down. It's all right there. You really don't have to do a lot of guesswork or kind of figure out where things go. Yeah.
I'm Jeff from Crossroads.
Hey, nice to meet you.
I've been able to catch you. You work too quick elsewhere.
I mean, they don't call us Fastsigns for nothing. I gotta say that at least once a week.
We appreciate the good work, and Greg's been real supportive.
Yeah, this has been great. Like this is probably one of the easiest installs I've had in a while.
Yeah, we do
so far.
Yeah.
So yeah, keep them coming. Yeah, like this has just been fantastic so far.
Good.
Like the signs are good quality. Like I don't have to rewire anything. So.
Well, and just leave these here. We'll come pick these up.
Okay, perfect. Awesome.
So that's no
yeah,
problem
they're
for you.
a little heavy, maybe 65 pounds, but they're not. 2 people should take care of it, no problem.
Old school.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a big, thick panel on there.
No
Yeah.
problem. Stay in touch. I'll do the same.
Sure thing.
Thanks again.
Yeah. Okay, where was I? Laying out a hole. Out there. So that was Jeff. He's the owner of Crossroads Signs. They're just right up the street from here. It's where I picked these signs up. So they provided the signs. We do the install. Kind of a nice, nice give and take with the sign industry. They make a nice sign. I mean, I can't complain about these. Installs are local. I don't have to travel very far. So that's a good relationship to have. Let's drill some holes. So with EFIS, you don't even need to drill through the outer stucco-y layer. That's all you gotta do. Steadily. All right, 2 more of them. Drill the power hole. God, I love it. I just love it when it's this easy. It makes me appreciate doing what I do on the scale that I do these. So I used to do big signs, big pylon signs, you know, 40, 50 feet tall. Which, to be quite honest with you, that's where the really cool stuff in signs are. But this is like the vast majority of sign work. And God, probably 75, 80% of the signs are just like this one. Just a channel letter sign on a raceway. That's why I want to show this to you. Because you can do this too. If I can do this, you can do this. Just need someone like me to teach you how. At least I hope that's what I'm doing. There's no plan, there's no script. It's just me doing stuff. Battery's going dead. Yep, that's all right. I did what I needed to do. All right, let's drill a power hole. This big, ugly, sloppy hole, just like that one. Jesus. Well, that was easy. All right. Take 10, 1/4 down. Okay, it's an MC cable. I'll just thread in. There you go. Well, since I know I have power up there, basically right behind this, I don't need a very long whip. I'll just lay down on the job here. Nice and tight. Bunch of extra wire. Give you a front row seat to the exciting stuff here. You know, this is why I clicked on this video. See some nice stripping and nutting. Some good nutting. Okay, that's done. Now, just take it up on the wall. Hold up. Come here. Started. There's nothing. One bolt, two bolts, three bolts. Just like that. See how level we are. Perfect. I do love it when it's just that easy. It just doesn't really get this easy that often. Yeah, can't tighten these too much. It's because it'll crush that siding. Enough. All right, I think I'm gonna put that cover on and then go up in the attic and do some wiring because I'm pretty darn sure I don't have to get back in here again. So I might as well just get that done with. Get her done. Salon. All right, so let's go into an attic and do some wiring. Going up there, and then basically down to that corner and then around another 15, 20 feet. Shouldn't be too bad, just a little bit of crawling. Well, we have arrived. So that's our power. Just gotta put J-box right here. So I want this to go into the top. Just want a nice flat spot to put this box on. Which I kind of like right there. And boom. Easy peasy. So let's see what I'm doing. So I revealed in the last video, the one that's going out today, I am blue-green color deficient. See, also colorblind. It's just easier to tell people that. So sometimes I struggle trying to figure out what wires are what in an attic like this just because the lighting sucks. I know, kind of blows your mind. A colorblind electrician. It's actually a lot more of us than you'd think. I mean, I can tell colors apart. I'm not fully colorblind. Things just get weird in weird lighting. Green to green, white to white, and black to black. Okay, now I'll just crawl back out of this attic, turn on the breaker, and it should work. Well, there she is, working 100%. So now what I gotta do, go up there, clean it up, and seal it, and I will save you the boredom of watching me do that. So that's really all I gotta say about this one. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.